Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Scotia Group is reporting a net income of $14.8 billion for the 9-month period which ended July 31, 2025. This represents a $764 million increase over the same period last year.
This performance of Scotia Group reflects the execution of our 4 strategic pillars: client primacy, client experience, employee well-being and winning as one team, and finally, sustainable revenue growth.
When asked about the outlook for the economy under the newly returned Jamaica Labour Party administration, CEO Audrey Tugwell Henry said the company remains optimistic about the remainder of the year.
I think once we got past the fiscal hurdle issues over the last few years, and that gives us an opportunity to start to focus on growth. And I see a very reassuring level of political maturity in our country that also feeds my optimism and feeds the optimism of Scotiabank in continuing to do business in Jamaica.
The Jamaica Stock Exchange has announced the appointment of Livingston Stone Morrison as its Chief Executive Officer effective September 8. Mr. Morrison succeeds Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, who is retiring after more than 2 decades of leadership. The JSE Chairman Steve Whittingham said Mr. Morrison's strategic insight and regulatory depth make him well suited to lead the JSE into the next phase of growth. Meanwhile, Dr. Street Forrest, who has been with the JSE since 2000, will be awarded the Order of Jamaica in October for her outstanding contribution to the development of Jamaica's capital market. The JSE index declined by 2,145 points, while the junior market index advanced by 14 points. The winners included 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Stationery and Office Supplies, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and Pulse Investments. The losers included Medical Disposables and Supplies, ISP Finance Services, Kintyre Holdings, Sterling Investments, and Iron Rock Insurance Company. 15 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.11. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.71. The pound is going for $216.27, while the euro is selling for an average $192.74. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.